Back again, guys. Full lot walk coming your way, so stick around for that. Check out maplemotors.com every Monday. That's when we update with new rides. It's about that time. Let's do another lot walk. Okay guys, getting ready to walk around here. Of course, I'm going to tell you the year, the model, the price, and then move on to a test drive video. We're going to walk the whole lot. You can see all the cars in detail under playlist below. It says cars currently available. I've got about half of them done. They put on 14 cars today, quite a few. And I think I'm on 7 or 8 for the test drive, so you'll see those slowly coming out over the next few days, actually all week with there being 14. But yeah, maplemotors.com, financing, shipping, detailed pictures of every single car here, and on Mondays that's the only day that we update. Right up here in the corner, this one's new. Actually, hold on, the whole entire front row is new. So yeah, this one's a 1962 Chevy Impala here. We got it priced at $29,900. Next to the Impala is a 71 Monte Carlo. This one's priced at $21,900. Okay, and now right here we got a 1971 Buick Skylark, and it's priced at $20,900. Next to that, a 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. This one's priced at $32,900. What about a 1971 Chevelle convertible? This one's priced at $49,900. Then of course you got a 70 model Mustang Fastback, and we got it priced at $41,900. Of course, if you're wondering, we're out here decoding motors. That's what he's doing under the hood there. And that's for all y'all's information and the videos that we're going to be putting out throughout the week. So we made it across the front row here. Coming on down the side. Got the Air Ride GMC Sonoma. This one's from 2002. Priced at $10,900. Pretty sweet. Got a 1965 El Camino sitting here. Priced at $15,900. '73 Chevy Caprice here. It's Caprice convertible, priced at $27,900. Got a 1971 Polara crew cab, priced at $12,900. 1970 Chevy Monte Carlo, priced at $19,900. Of course, next to that is a 1975 Chevy Impala, priced at $17,900. And then, of course, the old Cadillac's just sitting here waiting to be picked up. Customer that buys a lot of cars from us. He leaves them on here for a little while. We're going to go ahead and jump over into the showroom and see what we got in there. There's plenty more cars to walk around and check out on the car lot here. So stick around and I'll be back. This here's Pops' Hot Wheels room. It's right next door to Maple Motors, so if you're into collecting Hot Wheels or die-cast cars, he has this store on the premises here. All you got to do is go in the office, ask for Pops, and if you're far away and you still want to pick up something from this store here, you can go to Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel here on YouTube. My sister's actually in control of all the videos on that one, so she can get you hooked up with any kind of details that you need. She also made an Instagram, TikTok, and of course I said she's on YouTube. So go there, check it out, Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel. Let's get back out on the lot. Of course, off in the showroom here, we got a 1941 Willys Coupe priced at $44,900. And there's also a 1965 Mustang Fastback sitting here priced at $42,900. Of course, anything else you see in the showroom is not available. It's already sold. Otherwise, I'd show it to you. Of course, coming out of the showroom, we've got a lot going on out here. We got a 65 C10 pickup, just came in primer, priced at $22,900, custom interior, pinstriping all around. It looks pretty good. Of course, I have the detailed video coming out today. I haven't actually made that one yet. You got a 73 Corvette sitting here with side pipes. It's priced $21,900, T-tops. Next to that, 1970 Chevrolet Nova, $22,900. This one's new. Test drive went well too. What about a 69 Pontiac Firebird sitting here? This one's priced at $27,900. 68 Pontiac Firebird, $29,900. And of course, we got a 1967 Ford Mustang sitting here at $27,900. This one's the drop top convertible. Another convertible, well, two more after this. 66 model, $32,900. And a 65 model, also $32,900. Of course, you can see the parking lot next door is Ford parking. We own this as well. This is what everybody drove into work today, so also customers. I'll show it at the end of the video if you want to see, what we did drive in. Some of us drove old classics in. Some drove a van, believe it or not. Okay, there's a few more out here in the middle. Got the old 57. This is pretty sweet. Priced at $36,900. Also new. Same with this one. That's a 55. This priced at $30,900. Custom seats, two-tone. Over here in the side of the lot, a 1967 Dodge D100 pickup truck. It's got the Hemi set up like a gasser. This thing's pretty fast. It's just a radical truck. That's priced at $24,900. Wonder if it's unlocked. See if you got the blue tint on the windows. It really gives you a cool atmosphere in there. Picked up something a little bit newer. Got the 6.0 Pontiac GTO. This one's from 2005. And of course we got it priced at $17,900 with the red interior. I'm gonna glance around the lot one more time. I do got a lot of videos to do today, so we're gonna be test driving all day long. A lot of people try to call and ask for me on the phone. It's better just to say, hey, I wanna look at a certain car. I'm usually always doing videos. It's more beneficial for me to be out here working and doing these videos for y'all, so you know what you're getting before you get here. With that being said, we're all family. I'm here with my dad, my uncles, my grandfather, and we do this every single day. We've done this for, well, they've done this for over 40 years now. I've been here close to 20, or right at 20. And this is not what I've always done. I see the comments y'all leave. You're like, how hard's this job? Well, it's okay. It's not super hard. It's fun. I enjoy it. Every single day, get out here and mess with these classics. That's why I do it. That's why my sister's done come in. She's here as well. We're just bringing in the whole family. There's other channels online too. If you see the sneak peek, that's not me. A lot of people think that's me. That's not me at all. So sometimes you'll see cars that are on the sneak peek that are not available. That happens all the time. People call constantly on Mondays. Well, I want to see this one, or give me information about this one. Usually Monday at 12 is when we update. That's the only time you'll get information on any of the cars. The sneak peek, again, is not us doing that. Just somebody else walking in. And of course I know him, and I talk to him regularly about it, but he just comes up here and videos all the cars right before on Sundays. But again, sometimes we just fill holes up front with cars that are already sold. That's not in this video. Everything in this video is current right now. Okay, there is a sold bay in the back. We're gonna walk back there and check it out. We do got merch coming out, coming your way. You can look below in the description. You can go to our website, pick up t-shirts, whatever you want. It's a lot of different things. Me and my wife are getting ready to start our own little deal when it comes to the merch. That way we can get the prices down, have multiple things to choose from. With that being said, let's go check out the sold bay. We'll see what came through last week that you may have missed. So if you're walking through the lot and you see these double awnings, this is all cars that have came through and have sold. I think you remember the old turbo Chevelle. You got the 2002 Camaro sitting back here as well. You've also got the old Impala. Some of this stuff you have seen, some of the stuff you haven't. 55. You've got this old truck sitting up here. I mean, this one's come through the lot before, but second time we got it, as soon as it came in, you see where it's sitting in the sold bay. 65 C10 behind it, already picked up. And then of course next to that, the 92 Suburban. Y'all seen it in one of the earlier videos. 66 GTO. Coming on up in front of this old 55 here. 55 Bel Air. And an 86 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. So there's the sold bay for now. Everything else may have already been transported out or bought on the spot. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I kind of walked a little bit faster on this one, but I did it on purpose because I needed to get, I'm about 7 cars behind. So I want to get these other videos out to you. Those are very important to me. Reason being said, I want you to know what you're getting before you get here. I don't want you to buy the car and say, I didn't know about that. I'm going to tell it. I'm going to show it. You're going to know about it. All right, guys. Again, finance and shipping, detailed photos, maplemotors.com. Every Monday we put out new rides. And I told you I would show you some of the personals over here. I think one of the guys drove the Corvette in. Yeah, there's a dealer tag in a window. One of the personal rides, little Cadillac, my sister's. Detailed crew. And then you got Pops' Mustang. Billy just picked this Cuda up. It's gonna be one of his drivers. It's a pretty sweet ride. I haven't actually checked it out yet. That's how new this one is to him. He got it this weekend. I told you somebody drove a van. These vans are awesome though, especially for traveling. I finally got my Camaro back out, cleaned it up. It was nasty. And I think my father drove this one in today. But yeah, not everybody drove their classics. I don't know. It's so nice out. I don't see how you wouldn't drive something cool. With that being said, I do appreciate it, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.